This is Ren. He plans what he's going to do every day. His plans are super detailed. He has watched hundreds of videos to be more productive, score more marks, or improve his life. It's been 4 months, but nothing is changing in his life. He feels very motivated every night to conquer the next day and follow his plan. But something unexpected always happens. Maybe he wakes up late that day, or a guest arrives at his home, or a friend calls him to play, or simply, he just doesn't feel like doing it and starts another self-improvement binge session. If this is you, watch this video till the end, because this video is not about planning. It's about how to actually execute. So let's begin. Here comes the first phase. Phase 1. Have a compelling vision. What are you going to dedicate your life to, without giving excuses? Whether it's getting into a dream college or improving lives in your country, make sure your vision doesn't fade easily. Make it so strong that you don't even have excuses. Oh, I didn't sleep, I didn't eat. I'm not saying don't sleep or eat, but make sure your vision is strong enough to push you through challenges. You're doing it for yourself because it brings fulfillment. Here comes the second phase. Phase 2. Preparation, also known as the trap phase. This is where you intensively research your vision. What will it take to make it real? But here's the danger. Most people get stuck here. They binge self-improvement videos, get addicted to perfectionism, and keep waiting for the perfect start. Trust me, nobody is perfect. Every successful person had an imperfect start. Most people stay stuck in this phase because it feels productive, but it's risk-free. Here's my advice. Dedicate 2 to 3 weeks or more depending on your vision for focused research. But once that time ends, stop researching and start executing. And remember, nobody is going to save you. Only you have the power to change your life. Here comes the final and most important phase. Phase 3. Ruthless execution. This is the hardest part, but without this, you'll never reach your goal. This is where you put in the real work. Whether it's studying 3 hours a day, practicing cricket, increasing your protein intake, or going to the gym regularly, this is where most people fall off. But only true legends dare to execute ruthlessly for their vision. If you want to know how to build a mindset where execution becomes your default mode, check out this video where I explain exactly that.